Ready? Say now your message for our delegate.
Hi, Pal. Happy 18th birthday. Today is such a special day for you. And it's not just any special day. Today is a day where you finally get into adulthood. Become a very beautiful woman. Diba? Before I get on with anything else, I'd like to talk about how great of a friend you are. Though hindi tayo ganun ka-close, di ba? You were always so supportive and so kind to me. You were always there and you always helped me in everything I needed. And you're the funniest friend I've ever had. Yes, di ba? And before we switched schools, I've always seen you grow and become more better each day. You were always so persistent in what you wanted to do. You always made sure to do everything that you could in your power to achieve what you wanted. You've made so much friends and you'd always be so positive and active sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, especially in church. And I'm so proud of the person that you've become. Sana ako. I'm always so proud of you. And minsan nga, gusto ko nga maging ikaw na lang. Pero syempre, no one can replace you. Our Patricia Legaspi. Thank you for everything you've ever done. Not just for me, but for all of those around you. I hope you know how amazing and unique you are and how proud we are for who you've become to be. We love you always and we would love to be with you on this wonderful journey. Love you, Pat.
Let's have Panela Faith Kayabyang.